Hello and welcome back. Today I want us to discuss a short about the pivot. Pivot is used in Excel, but the question is how can we use the pivot method inside now the pandas. So to do that, for those who don't know pivot, and for those who are new, who have not come from the Excel, we can just search it a bit. And you can see there are various definitions. And this one is saying to create a pivot table in Excel, you must first have your data in a clean tabular format with clear headers. Then select any cell within that. So these are some of things that you might want to know about the pivot. If you want to know more about it, you can just come here and read about. You can choose any link here like this or like insert, but I just wanted to show you how long it is to have it in Excel. But what about the pandas pivot? Let's meet next time and see how we can use it.